Dear guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews on rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. Set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Credit cards are reserved. The right The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and hours are available for this hotel along with various meal plans and booking policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new